how to combine voice memos on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Do you want to combine voice memos on your iPhone? But unfortunately, it is not possible from your voice recorder app itself, as it does not have an inbuilt feature to combine voice memos. But don't worry, you can go to your app store and then go to the search bar and then search for the app called Combine Audio. So tap on it and then just hit get and then download it. What you need to do is go to your voice memo and then tap on edit and then select the two files that you want to combine, and then go to the share icon in the bottom left and then tap on save to files, and now choose a location and then hit save. And now come back, go to the merge audio app that you downloaded, and then you can see select first audio file, second select second audio file, just tap on it and then select your audio files from your file app, and then you can also choose to fade in, fade out. You can even set other settings and then just hit merge. And that's it. Now the two voice memos will be combined. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.